If you're looking to start a dropshipping business, Wholesale2B might seem like an easy solution, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another product sourcing platform. The surprising truth is that Wholesale2B is more than a supplier directory. It's a complete dropshipping ecosystem that can streamline your business, but it comes with some caveats. Wholesale2B allows you to access millions of products from multiple suppliers across categories like electronics, fashion, and home goods. One standout feature is its integration with major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, eBay, Amazon, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. This means you can automatically import products, sync inventory, and even process orders directly from your store without manually handling supplier details. Another advantage is automation. Wholesale2B can update product information, pricing, and stock levels in real time. For beginners, this is a huge time saver because manual updates are often a source of errors and lost sales. The platform also offers bulk product uploads, which is ideal for scaling your store quickly. However, it's not perfect. Pricing can be confusing. Some plans charge a monthly subscription, while others charge per marketplace. Also, customer support is decent, but not always fast, which can be frustrating if you run into urgent issues with suppliers or integrations. Shipping times vary because products come from multiple suppliers, which can impact customer satisfaction if not managed carefully. In conclusion, Wholesale2B is best for dropshippers who want an all-in-one solution to manage products, listings, and orders efficiently. If you are serious about scaling, the automation and platform integrations are invaluable. But if you're just testing the waters or selling a few products casually, it might be more than you need. If this review helped you understand whether Wholesale2B is right for your dropshipping business, subscribe for more honest reviews, tips on scaling online stores, and strategies to avoid common dropshipping pitfalls.